beautiful people, welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making vegan Nutella chocolate swirls, which are basically these little beauties. Don't know if you can see them from there, but I'll upload a picture anyway. So if you don't have access to vegan Nutella, you can easily replace this with some kind of cinnamon filling, which would work equally well, or halva. If you don't know how to make halva filling, or halva paste, basically you just want to get tahini and mix it with maple syrup or agave or something to sweeten it up. You're just going to stir the crap out of it, and then you'll have like a halva paste, which is divine. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the vegan Nutella ones. Very easy recipe. I hope you enjoy this one. Please, as always, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, you know what it is. There are no animals or animal products on my channel, and I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and a subscribe. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get cooking.
Okay, just before we continue, I'm making a large batch of these. The amounts that I'm going to tell you in this description are for 20 chocolate swirls, also known as Rozalach if you speak Hebrew, and they're amazing. These are the best chocolate swirls you will ever have. So we're going to start off with 225 grams of flour, which we have put through a sieve, 25 grams of melted vegan butter, 2 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil that is, half a teaspoon of yeast, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half a cup of warm water. As always, very, very simple. Just throw everything in and give it a nice mix and a knead. And then we're just going to split it into 2 balls and we're going to roll them out each evenly. Now the trick to making these perfect is that you have to roll them out super thin. Thin to the point where you can actually see what's underneath. And basically what's happening is we're going to be cooking them at a very, very high temperature for a very short space of time. So you're literally nuking them. Okay, and once they're rolled out really thin, we're going to spread a thick layer of vegan Nutella on there, or whatever chocolate spread if you can't find vegan Nutella where you are. And then we're going to roll it nice and tight, if you know what I'm talking about.
Hey.
Next, we're going to cut them into 1-inch pieces and stick them in a preheated oven on 250 degrees C or 480 degrees Fahrenheit for no more than 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the oven that you have.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so 5 minutes have passed on 250 degrees C. Can't remember what that is in Fahrenheit. I'll write it down at the bottom. But as you can see, these are now nice and soft and lovely. The tops are a bit, you can tap them. Now, they may look raw to you because of the color. Now, the only reason this is because if you was to get these in a bakery, what they would usually use is egg wash on top to turn them gold. And we don't do that here. So this is it, and they are bloody amazing. What I'm going to do now is plate them up, sprinkle some sugar, icing sugar on top, and I'll take them out the garden so you can see them in the sunshine.
Okay, here we have them. Let me just take one. I'll take a less pretty one. First of all, look, they're all soft. Oh my goodness. Right. Basically what I'm going to do, put these here now. Right, check this. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh, goodness me. Right, I'm going to do a quick taste test. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. The texture's like marshmallow, but it's Nutella. It's like a cross between marshmallow and a chocolate crepe. These are absolutely divine. Wow. That's amazing. Right. Like I said, man, the cinnamon roll is exactly the same thing. Just change the filling, whatever filling you want to put. But divine. Do you understand what divine means? These little things down here. Why? Have a great day, folks. As always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I will love you for it. Have a good one.